How to target the right people with email marketing. Creating a successful marketing campaign using emails can be challenging. There are several things you can do to help ensure your next campaign is a success. This video contains many ideas designed to help you improve the quality of your email marketing. Use these suggestions to make an effective marketing tool. Provide exclusive content in your marketing emails. By providing those on your mailing list with information not available on your site, your customers are more likely to read each message, and begin looking forward to them. Your customers will feel special and appreciated when they receive relevant information in your emails. If you are emailing potential customers, consider following up with some video clip. You could try inserting a line within your message that tells them to order now. The ending of the message could inform these people that they can become a customer immediately by clicking on the provided link. If you want your email marketing messages to get to the right inboxes, target anyone whom you send to. If you already have a core set of fans or followers, offer discounts or promotions to those who get friends to show up. Anyone curious in your products and services probably has known others with similar interests, which mean you can organically grow your list through existing social relationships. To get the best results from your email marketing campaign, test your messages thoroughly before you send them. Do not just type up a quick message and blast it out to your subscriber list without checking it carefully first. Preview it in different email programs and on different platforms to make sure it will display properly for everyone. The tips you have just read will help you create useful and relevant marketing emails. Instead of being overwhelmed, be proactive and create content that will effectively reach your audience. Your business and your customers deserve the best. Let that message shine through in your emails, and watch your business increase. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.